Welcome to this introductory video guide for beginners that delves into an informative comparison between NRS and Clover POS. To begin with, point-of-service or POS systems are integral parts of any retail or restaurant business as they facilitate smooth sales transactions and can efficiently manage inventories. In the vast arena of POS systems, NRS and Clover reign supreme due to their unique features and remarkable efficiency. Now, let's take a close look at the National Retail Solutions or NRS POS. NRS is a complete POS system that specializes in catering to small businesses and offers a myriad of amazing features like superior inventory management, customer tracking, and rugged hardware. Known for its robustness and exceptional durability, NRS has carved a niche for itself in the POS market. Moving on towards Clover POS. A POS system that has revolutionized the payment industry with its advanced technology and versatile features. It offers a range of devices with cutting-edge software that allows you to sell wherever your customers are. Clover POS also allows customization, thanks to its open API and app market, where you can add or build functionalities based on your business needs. Now that we've taken a good look at both NRS and Clover POS, let's compare them considering their strengths and drawbacks. Both systems have their unique flair and offer different functionalities that cater to different business needs. In this video, we will dive deeper into various features and pricing and help you decide which POS system is right for your business. Click now.